All right, today we are talking about hotspots. And, a hotspot is what was responsible for creating my Hawaiian Islands. And it's possible to get confused when you think about the Aleutian Islands and Hawaiian Islands. Not all islands were created the same, they're not created equal. Some are because of a divergent boundary, and like the Aleutian Islands and Iceland, but some are because of a hotspot. So let's find out a little bit more about hotspots. We're going to go to geology.com today for this information because it's a great little website. So again, we have our boundaries. We have plate boundaries of divergence and convergence and transform. But remember, this is not responsible for the Hawaiian island. Look at this picture. You can see the plates. You can see the boundaries. And you can also see that the Hawaiian Islands right here are in the middle of the Pacific Plate. So there is no boundary here. It was not created because of that. So, you can read some of that information. I will definitely share this website with you, but this is the picture that I really want to show you. So we have this thinning in the crust here. As the Pacific Plate slides this direction, we have the thinning, and the youngest island is over the hot spot. It's the big island of Hawaii, and there is a smaller island being created right now. This one right here, Loihi. So this is the one that's going to be created, that is the middle of being created. It has not yet stuck out of the water, but eventually it will. And it will be another island, the newest island on the Hawaii island chain. So as you can see, look at the sizes of these islands as we move through. We have Maui, we have Molokai, we have Oahu, where I was born, Kauai, and then look at these mountains this direction, or these islands this direction. As you continue to go, they have been weathered, and eventually they get weathered to the point that they are going to be under the water. And so this island chain goes for quite a ways. You can actually get a top-down view of it. I don't know if there is one here. It doesn't look like it. Well, this is a good one because you can see the Hawaiian range this direction. So this is where the big island is, Maui, Oahu, and then the other ones. All these will be underwater at this point, seamounts. So that is pretty much the end of hotspots. Sorry about the announcement during my recording, but feel free to look it up at this website. I'll share it. And that's it for hotspots. Talk soon.